Everybody, it's me, stage manager Revue. Are you ready for the show? Well, that's great, because I'm getting ready to open these here PhilharMagic doors. Please be sure to stand clear of the doors, because when I push the button, they're going to open towards you. Oh, where'd that button get to? Oh, there it is. Ready? Here we go. That's right, buddy. Keep on moving. And for your safety, please don't go putting on your special opera glasses till someone tells you, okay? Thanks.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to PhilharMagic. Go ahead and pick your favorite row and sit wherever you like. Each seat offers a great view of the upcoming show. Have fun, everybody.
For all of you coming in, thanks for filling in all the available seats. And all of you going out, thanks for making the seats available. If you're still coming in, it's great to see you. Now it's time to choose a row and move yourself all the way across so you can fill up all the empty seats. That's right, ma'am. You show them how it's done. Gorge, being a stage manager sure is fun. Donald! Hey, Donald! Are you all done up there? Gorge, wonder where he went. Yeah, wow. Sorry, little feller. Almost ready. How'd that get unplugged? We'll just plug it back in. Yep, that's better.
Hello, everyone. We ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance. All right, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra.
Mickey, where's Donald? The orchestra's missing. It's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. We're not ready. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. And don't touch my hat.
It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. One by one, till you shout enough are done. Then we'll sing you off to sleep as you digest. Tonight you cock your feet up, but for now, sir, be our guest. Be our guest. Be our guest.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above? Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part looking up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my
Thus far, rather uninspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm standing in the spotlight.
Not yet!
Red, ay mi amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay mi amor. You say, put them on your head. Ay mi amor. You make me un poco loco, un poquitito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm guessing. Now count it as a blessing that I'm only un poco loco.
That you make me, it is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not thinking.
The liberties you're taking leaves my guts to shaking. You're just un poco loco.
Time to start. Think of the joy you'll find when you leave the world behind and read your curse goodbye.
Yes, I can.
You can fly, 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 you
can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view, no one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, that's where we'll be, a thrilling chase,
a wondrous place for you and me.
Thank you. Thank you. See you real soon.
I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out, please put your opera glasses in the special containers near the exit. Thanks, and have a PhilharMagical day.